1, 2, 6. Count your grapes. 1, 2. What's after 2? 1. Let's Daddy count them. Look. 1, 2, 3. 2, 6, 9.
Yeah.
1, 2. 1. Count the grapes. 2. 1, 2, 6. 2, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, good girl. 7, 8, 9, good girl. 10. Right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. What's next? 4, that's right. What's after 4? 5, 6, 7, 8. What's after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2. It's a lot of nonsense anyway, Beanie, to be honest with you. By the time you were older, they'd probably have changed the numbers. You can't even say all gone now because you've got so many in your mouth. Eat what you got in your mouth first. You've got loads in your mouth. Yeah. Eat your grapes. Eat them. No. Why are you doing that now? Come on, let's go see, we're going to have to get ready in a minute. We're going to go see Nana?
No.
No. You want to go see Nana?
No.
Do you want to go see Puppy?
No.
Do you want to go and see Kizzy?
No.
Do you want to go and see Asha?
No.
Do you want to go and see...
Mommy.
You want to go see Mummy?
Yes.
Do you want to go see Eric Cantona?
No.
Can you say chicken? Say chicken.
Chicken.
Say chicken head.
Hat.
Say chicken head. Say chicken head. Hide. Can you say chicken? Can Coco say chicken? Take your bowl off a minute. Say, come on, it'll make him chuffed. He's weird. Hide. Right, come here. Say chicken. Say chicken. You're hiding, are we? Hide. Say chicken.
Chicken.
Say chicken head. I know, it's not even a word, is it? I don't blame you.